If you hit record at the start of your ride and leave it running, you are making the biggest mistake in cycling content creation. Before pedaling a single watt, lock your settings. Shoot 4K at 30 FPS for YouTube. It's the best balance of quality and file size. Want slow-mo descents? Drop to 2.7K at 60 FPS. And always format your SD card first. Corrupted files will ruin your day. A full GoPro Hero 13 black battery lasts about 90 minutes at 4K. Bring a spare. Next, do the wiggle test. If your mount moves when you poke it, tighten it. No amount of digital stabilization can fix a rattling camera. Once rolling, do not record everything. This is where most people fail. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes of raw footage per ride. Only capture climbs, descents, or attacks. Keep 80% of your shots as forward POV, but use the other 20% to shoot backwards at your drivetrain or your friends. This B-roll is what actually makes your final video watchable. If vlogging, narrate what you feel on that nasty 10% climb. Yes, it feels incredibly awkward the first time you talk to a camera in public. Push through it. Post-ride, import your footage immediately. Don't let multiple rides pile up on your SD card, or you will get overwhelmed and never edit them. Watch the raw clips at 2x speed. Now the edit. Use DaVinci Resolve. It's free and professional. Or Premiere Pro for $22 a month. The workflow is strictly linear. Select your best clips, arrange them chronologically, trim the dead space, and drop in your music. Here is a harsh truth. A clean cut matched to good music is vastly better than an over-edited mess with crazy transitions. Do not overcomplicate this step. When exporting for YouTube, force the resolution to 4K, use the H.265 codec, and set your bitrate around 45 megabits per second. For an Instagram reel, stick to 1080p vertical to avoid compression algorithms ruining your footage. Your first 10 videos will be rough, and that is completely normal. The secret to YouTube growth isn't perfect color grading. It's consistency. Hit upload and go ride again. Consistency beats perfection. Go create.